Eating healthy. Introduction. The amount of energy required for good health depends on a person's age and size. Select true or false. Correct. A growing child needs more food for each pound of body weight than an adult does. Food is commonly categorized into different groups. Which of the following is a food group? Choose one of the following options. 1. Fat. 2. Carbohydrates. 3. Protein. 4. All of the above. Correct. Fat, carbohydrates, and protein are all food groups. The larger the area of the color category in my plate, the more servings you need from this category. Select true or false. Correct. The divided areas on my plate are a guide to remind you to balance your portions and make sure that half of your plate is fruits and vegetables. Restaurant servings are much larger than servings used in nutritional guides. Select true or false. Correct. When you eat out, try only eating half of what they serve you and taking the rest home in a box. Thank you for using Explain.